Hello YouTube. I'm going to show you this brand new fan that I got for above my bed. It's an Arctic USB cooling fan. It's meant to plug into the computer, but I'm plugging it into an iPhone charger, USB, same amount of power. It'll work fine. So I have that iPhone USB adapter to electricity. USB to electricity, wired up to an extension cord that goes to the outlet behind my bed with a remote light switch plugged into it. So if I can find that remote, it's right here. We'll start it up. It blows a nice breeze at me while I'm sleeping. Bit of vibration, but it still works pretty good. See, it's blowing the tissue. Oops, got caught. I can definitely feel the wind with my hand. And it's adjustable. As you can see. It's adjustable. You can point it wherever you want. And we can turn it off. There's no on-off switch on this thing. If I can find the remote, it's right here. It's a pretty good spin down time. Hear the bearings scratch a little bit. It spins pretty freely. So yeah, thanks for watching. More to come.